Hello. In this tutorial, we will go over how to book a Hyflex in your classroom or meeting room. We're using the Outlook web application and not the Outlook desktop application. We find this works best. While in the Outlook calendar, click on New Event. Give your event a title. Select the time of your event. And now this is the area that we're going to reserve the cart. This is the location field. For this purpose, we're going to select the Ellison Campus Center. That's ECC. And the available carts will pop up. We're going to select the Martin Luther King Hyflex Cart. And then our next step in the location field is to attach a Zoom meeting. It's very important to make sure that attaching a Teams meeting is turned off. We go up to attach a Zoom meeting. Click Add Zoom Meeting. The meeting will populate, and at this point you can type in your attendees or hit send. If you have any questions, please feel free to email dbar@salem-state.edu.